Hello dear students, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to focus on some new topics. They are articles, numbers and genders. You know, articles are used before some nouns and pronouns. काही नाम आणि सर्वनाम वापरत असताना त्यांच्या अगोदर आपल्याला काही उपपदे वापरावे लागतात. दे आर कॉल्ड आर्टिकल्स. नाउ लेट्स सी हाउ मेनी आर्टिकल्स आर देअर इन इंग्लिश. देअर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ आर्टिकल्स. दे आर दोन प्रकारचे उपपद आहेत. दे आर डेफिनेट अँड इनडेफिनेट. डेफिनेट म्हणजे निश्चित आणि इनडेफिनेट म्हणजे अनिश्चित. Two types of articles are there. Now let's see how are they used properly. There are three articles including definite and indefinite. They are a and an. A and. These two are indefinite article and the third article is the or the. So the is the definite article. You will see on your screen further. The article a and an are the indefinite articles. म्हणजे हे अनिश्चित आहे उपपद. And they are used in place of one. A and an, they are the short form of one. Rather than using one, we use a or an in front of or before a noun or a pronoun. Now, the article the is the definite article. The हे निश्चित उपपद आहे. जिथे निश्चितता समजते, माहिती असते, तिथे the चा वापर केला जातो. Where there is certainty, we use the article the at that place. Look, the article a is used before words that begin with a consonant sound. Consonant. There are 5 vowels in English alphabets and remaining are consonants. You know it well. Including the words that begin with O and U. See, though O and U, these alphabets are vowels, but sometimes some strange thing happens with them. If the beginning word is W or Y respectively, beginning sound, जर एखादा शब्द ओ किंवा यू ने पण सुरू होतो. ओ आणि यू हे व्हॉवेल्स आहेत, पण तरीही त्याच्या अगोदर आपल्याला जर त्याचा उच्चार हा डब्ल्यू किंवा वाय सारखा असेल तर त्याच्या अगोदर ए हे उपपद आपण वापरायला पाहिजे. एक्झाम्पल्स आर अ पेन, तुम्हाला चांगलं समजेल. अ पेन, अ हाऊस, अ बॉय. आता बघा, हे 3 एक्झाम्पल्स आपले जनरल जे नाउन्स आहे किंवा प्रोनाउन्स आहे त्याच्या अगोदर आहे. नंतर बघा, ए वन साइडेड स्टोरी. जरी ओ, ए ई आय ओ यू हे स्वर आहेत इंग्रजीमध्ये, दे आर व्हॉवेल्स. इफ a word begins with a vowel, we have to use an article at that place. But here you can see a one-sided story. How does the one is pronounced here? It is pronounced like W. It begins with W. Union. A union, the pronunciation begins with Y. A union. Hence here we cannot use an. तर ज्या नामाची, सर्व नामांची सुरुवात कॉन्सोनंटने होते, कॉन्सोनंट साऊंडने होते, त्याच्या अगोदर आपल्याला ए उपपद वापरायला पाहिजे. इज दॅट क्लिअर? नाव नेक्स्ट गो अहेड. लेट्स गो अहेड. द आर्टिकल an is used before words that begin with a vowel sound. Sound is very necessary here. Including the words that begin with a silent H. Now look at the examples. An adjective, a is there, adjective begins with a, vowel is there. An egg, e begins with, the egg begins with e is a vowel. An ice cream, I again vowel. An owl, an umbrella, now vowels are there, but an honest person, though the word begin with H, honest, but the pronunciation is O, like O. Though it begins with H, but we have to use an article because it pronounced like O. An honest, an hour, A, it pronounced, though it begins with H, it pronounced like A, hour, an hour, etc. So these things are very interesting. While using the articles a and an, we should be very careful. If you will practice it well, you can well understand. So practice is necessary. Now let's turn to the definite article, that is the. The is the definite article. It is used to express something definite. Examples are there. The birds in the trees were singing sweetly. Means here something is definite that the speaker knows or the listener knows. The birds म्हणजे त्यांना माहिती आहे निश्चित कुठले पक्षी. इन द ट्रीज कुठला झाड, कुठले झाडी, हे सर्व त्यांना माहिती आहे. Hence certainty is there. Where there is certainty, the article the is used. Now there are different rules or uses of the. The article the is used to refer to something that is mentioned for the second time. Suppose we mention a name earlier and the same name we have to mention again. So we have to use the article before the noun. The example is given. We saw a dog, look, a dog on the street. Now we are going to mention the same dog. So we have to use the article the. We saw a dog on the street, the dog was wounded. आपण रस्त्यावर एक कुत्रा बघितला, तो कुत्रा जखमी होता. So if a noun is mentioned again, so we have to use the article the to show the certainty. Now there are different rules for the. The article the is used to make a generalization. If we have to show the whole group, or we have to make it generalization. We have to make generalization of the. Baga, example is given. The cow eats grass. The cow means not only one cow, the whole cows in the world. बघा, all cows eat grass. इथे याचं सामान्यीकरण झालं. काऊ म्हणजे काऊ ही प्रजाती, काऊ ही जमाती. जगातील सर्व गायी मग काय खातात? गवत खातात. द काऊ इट्स ग्रास मीन्स ऑल द काउज इन द वर्ल्ड दे ईट ग्रास. दिस इज द जनरलायझेशन ऑफ द. अगेन द आर्टिकल द इज यूज फॉर द ओनली वन थिंग इन द वर्ल्ड and before the names of mountains and rivers. बघा, जगामध्ये एकमेव वस्तू आहे त्याचा उल्लेख जर करायचा असेल किंवा पर्वतांची नावं आहेत, नद्यांची नावं आहेत. ॲक्च्युली वी डोंट यूज आर्टिकल्स द आर्टिकल बिफोर प्रॉपर नाउन्स, बट बिफोर द नेम्स ऑफ माउंटेन्स अँड रिव्हर्स इट इज यूज्ड. सी हाऊ. एक्झाम्पल, ओनली वन थिंग इन द वर्ल्ड, the sun, or it is well known across the whole world. अशी वस्तू की जी संपूर्ण जगाला माहिती आहे त्याचा उल्लेख करायचा असेल तर द सन, द मून, द ताजमहल. नो सेकंड ताजमहल इज देअर, सो द ओनली वन थिंग इन द वर्ल्ड. द हिमालयाज, नेम ऑफ अ माउंटेन. द गंगा और गंगाज, नेम ऑफ द होली रिवर. सो Here we can see that the article is used for mentioning the only one thing in the world or before the names of the mountains and rivers. Now, if you will practice the articles definite and indefinite, a and an are indefinite articles and the is the definite articles. Where and how should they be used? It is mentioned in this video. If you will refer it carefully, you will quite understand where should you use the correct articles. Now, let's go ahead. We are going to learn a new topic today, that is numbers म्हणजे वचन. आता नंबर म्हणजे काय? वचन, एक वचन किंवा अनेक वचन. सी देर आर टू नंबर्स. दोन प्रकारचे वचन आहे. वचन मीन्स प्रॉमिस नाही, नॉट प्रॉमिस ऑर कमिटमेंट. हियर नंबर मीन्स वचन, एक वचन आणि अनेक वचन. सिंग्युलर नंबर अँड प्लुरल नंबर्स. बघा, singular number, the nouns that refer to one person or one thing are called singular number. एकच व्यक्ती किंवा वस्तू किंवा काही एक दाखवण्यासाठी ज्या नामाचा वापर केला जातो त्याला आपण सिंग्युलर म्हणू. पुढे प्लुरल नंबर्स, अनेक वचन म्हणजे काय? द नाउन्स that refer to more than one person or thing are called plural numbers. अनेक वचन म्हणजे एक पेक्षा जास्त कितीही असू शकतात. मग एक पेक्षा जास्त कितीही, they are called plural numbers. Now, while making singular and plural numbers, there are certain things to be understood. Now, let's see how to form plural numbers from singular numbers. Sometimes students or we also grown up people some commit mistakes while making singular to plural. It happens, but if you will practice it carefully, you will find it is very interesting. आता बघा, आपलं एक वचनचं अनेक वचन कसं करायचं? अनेक नामं आहे, त्याच्यासाठी अनेक वेगवेगळे नियम आहेत किंवा सूचना आहेत. There are certain names or nouns which are made plural by adding just yes to them. अशा अनेक नामं आहेत की ज्यांना फक्त यस लावला, यस प्रत्यय लावला. इफ यू सफिक्स ओनली यस, दे बिकम प्लुरल. पेन, पेन्स, वॉल, वॉल्स, ट्री, ट्रीज. मेनी एक्झाम्पल्स आर देअर. बुक, बुक्स. So, but some different nouns are there. It is very interesting. If you will learn, many nouns are made plural by adding just yes to them. But see ahead. If the singular noun ends in s, x, ch, sh or es, so we have to add es to make it plural. ज्या नामाच्या शेवटी एस किंवा एक्स किंवा सी एच किंवा एस एच हे शब्द हे आलेवर ना आले तर त्याचं अनेक वचन करताना आपल्याला त्याला ई एस लावावा लागतो. नॉट ओनली एस. लुक, बस, बसेस. नॉट ओनली एस. क्लास, क्लासेस. बेंच, बेंचेस. बॉक्स, बॉक्सेस. विश, विशेष, ॲटसेट्रा. म्हणजे जर शेवटी एक्स, एस, सी एच, एस एच असेल तर इट इज मेड प्लुरल बाय जस्ट ॲडिंग es to them. Not only s but es. See ahead. If the singular noun ends in o and there is a vowel before o, add only s to make it plural. Here is interesting thing now. Suppose a noun ends with o. It is largely made plural by adding es, but certain things are there to be understood. If there is a vowel before o, then we have to add only s to make it plural. Examples are radio, radios, only s. Cuckoo, cuckoos, not es. Now, different examples are there. Let's see. If the singular noun ends in O and there is consonant before O, then add es to make it plural. बघा आता कसं इंटरेस्टिंग आहे. जर ओच्या अगोदर व्हावेल असेल तर फक्त एस लावून अनेकवचन करा. आता ओच्या अगोदर जर कॉन्सनंट आहे तर एस लावून अनेकवचन करा. मेनी आर देअर. टोमॅटो, टोमॅटोज, एस. मँगो, मँगोज, एस लावावा लागतो. ठीक आहे ना. जसं क्रियापदाला पण एस लागतो. जिओ, गो, गोज, एस. डीओ, डू, डज, डीओ, एस, डज. तर ज्या काही नामाच्या शेवटी ओ आहे पण त्याच्या अगोदर जर कॉन्सोनंट आहे तर त्याचं अनेकवचन काय होईल? एस लावून अनेकवचन होईल. जसं टोमॅटो, टोमॅटोज, मँगो, मँगोज, एटसेट्रा. लेट्स गो अहेड. If the singular noun ends in y and there is a vowel before y, spelling mistake is there. y च्या अगोदर जर vowel असेल तर add only s to make it plural. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, आता शेवटी आहे, नामाच्या शेवटी y आहे आणि त्याचं अनेकवचन करायचं आहे तर नियम बघा कसे आहेत. y च्या अगोदर vowel असेल तर add only s, suffix with s only to make it plural. Boy, boys, boys, not ies. You will see ahead. Monkey, monkeys. Key, 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 keys, keys. Now, different rules are there. If the word ends with y, here we have added only s to make it plural. Now see ahead. If the singular noun ends with y and there is a consonant before y, y च्या अगोदर जर कॉन्सोनंट आहे तर अनेकवचन कसं होतं बघा. चेंज द y into I, okay, I, and add es to make it plural, or you just remove y and use ies in place of y to make it plural. Lady, ladies. Cherry, cherries. City, cities. Body, bodies. Baga, all these words ends with y, but before y there is a consonant. Hence, the y is changed in ies to make them plural. You can find many examples. By your own, you try to find such type of examples. There are many different rules to make singular to plural. So be careful while changing them. If your reading will be very careful, you will come across all these things. Now see, if the singular noun ends in f or fe, change the f or fe to ves to make it plural. जर एखादं सिंग्युलर नाउनची शेवट एफ किंवा एफीने आहे तर त्याचं अनेकवचन करताना remove f or fe and add vs to make it plural. The examples are live, lives, night, nights, life, lives, wife, wives, thief, thieves. Now all these words end with f or fe and we have to remove f or fe and add vs to make them plural. f किंवा एफच्या जागेवर एफ किंवा एफी काढायचा, व्ही एस टाकायचा, प्रत्यय व्ही एस लावायचं, सफिक्स विथ व्ही एस अँड मेक इट प्लुरल. बट सम exceptions are there. Again the spelling is incorrect. Exceptions are there. Chip, chips, roop, roops, etc. You correct the spelling. Exception, exception. Exceptions are there. Chip, chips, roop, roops. Not vs, but only s is added to make them plural. A few singular nouns form the plural by ending in n. बघा आता काही काही असे सिंग्युलर नाउन आहे की ज्याचं अनेक वचन en करून केलं जातं. ऑक्स, ऑक्सेस नाही आता इकडे. जसं आपण बॉक्स, बॉक्सेस केलं, फॉक्स, फॉक्सेस, तसं ऑक्स, ऑक्सेस नाही. ऑक्स ऑक्झन, चाइल्ड चाइल्ड्स नाही, चाइल्ड चिल्ड्रन, brother brothers is largely used but its plural is brethren. Understood? Now a few nouns form the plural by changing their internal vowels. Vowels change करून त्यांचं अनेकवचन होतं. Tooth, teeth, man, men, mouse, mice, foot, feet, etc. So here only vowels are changed and they are made plural. Be careful about them. Now some nouns have the same singular or plural form. You have to understand whether it is singular or plural. Ship, S-H-E-E-P or S-H-E-E-P. Ship, plural is ship. Swine, plural is swine. Fish, plural is fish. If the same kind of fish are there in a fish pot, you can say there are 10 fish in the fish pot if they are same, alike. If there are different kinds of fish are there in the pot, fish pot, now you can say there are fishes in the fish pot. So this is the difference between the singular and plural. Ship, ship, not S-H-I-P. S-H-I-P, ship, jahaz. It becomes plural with adding S. S-H-I-P, ship, S-H-I-P-S, ships. Now S-H-E-E-P, ship, plural is ship. So many such things are there about which we should be very careful. Now compound nouns are there. How are they made plural? Let's see. Compound nouns form their plurals by using the plural form of the principal or main word. Principal word or main word. मुख्य जो शब्द आहे त्याला यस किंवा यस लावून त्याचं अनेकवचन होतं आणि असे हे कंपाऊंड वर्ड्स आहेत प्लुरल. सिस्टर इन लॉ, सिस्टर्स इन लॉ, नॉट सिस्टर इन लॉज. Which is the principal word? Sister. So add s and make the plural of the principal word and it will become plural form. Sister-in-law, sisters-in-law. Runner-up, runners-up, etc. So these are very interesting things about numbers, how to make singular to plural. There are many ways, many interesting things are there. If you will practice them, you will quite understand how to make singular to plural. Now, in today's video, we are going to learn another new topic, that is gender. Gender म्हणजे लिंग. There are 4 types of gender. Though it seems less important topic, but all these topics are the foundation of your English. If you want to learn good English, if you want to use accurate English, then all these things are very much necessary to be learned by heart. We started with parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction and interjection. When you will learn English, when you will develop your own English, that time you will understand how important these topics are. So as the parts of speech, articles, numbers and genders are equal important. So let's learn them by heart. Gender means linga. Now there are 4 genders. Which are they? See, masculine gender pulling, feminine gender striling, common gender samanaling and neuter gender napusakaling. Let's learn them in detail now. Which are called masculine gender and which are called feminine gender? Let's see. Masculine gender means pulling. We can define in such words: the words that refer to male people or animal, they are known or can be considered as masculine gender. जे आपल्याला मेल पीपल किंवा ॲनिमल दाखवतात पुल्लिंगी, त्याला आपण म्हणू मॅस्क्युलाइन जेंडर. फॉर एक्झाम्पल मॅन, हॉर्स, लायन, बॉय. These examples themselves show how is masculine gender. By seeing at the example, we can well understand which are called masculine gender. Now let's go ahead. Feminine gender, स्त्रीलिंग. We can define as the word that refer to female people or animal is known as feminine gender. काहीतरी महिला दाखवत आहे, स्त्रीलिंग दाखवत आहे, त्यांना आपण फेमिनाईन जेंडर असे म्हणूया. एक्झाम्पल्स, तिकडे आपण मॅन घेतलं होतं, मॅनचा काय झाला वुमन. हॉर्सचा काय झाला मेयर, नॉट MAYOR, MARE, मेयर म्हणजे घोडी. लायनचं काय झालं लायनेस, आणि बॉयचं काय झालं गर्ल. सो the genders change in this way, masculine to feminine. In your competitive exam, they are very helpful genders. The common gender, सामान्य लिंग. Here we don't understand whether it is male or female. स्त्री आहे का पुरुष आहे कळत नाही. Common gender. We can define as the words that refer to either male or female. स्त्री अथवा पुरुष, people or animal, त्यांना आपण म्हणू they are called common gender. By looking at the examples, you can understand what can be common genders. Teacher, either male or female. Parents, either male or female, mother or father. Doctor, same thing. Student, same thing, either male or female. So it's very interesting to learn them. Now fourth one is neuter gender, napusak ling. We can define napusak ling as the words that are neither male or female, स्त्री नहीं पुरुष नहीं, they refer to things that do not have life. ते अशा वस्तू किंवा गोष्टी दाखवतात की ज्यांना जीवन नाही, जे सजीव नाही. निर्जीव वस्तू दाखवण्यासाठी जे नाम आहे त्यांना आपण न्यूटर जेंडर असे म्हणूया. दे आर नोन ॲज न्यूटर जेंडर. फॉर एक्झाम्पल्स, टेबल, वॉल, बिल्डिंग. वी डोंट अंडरस्टँड वेदर इट इज मेल और फीमेल. सो दे आर नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स. दे आर डिस्क्राइब इन न्यूटर gender. Now dear students, in today's video we have focused on three very important topics, though they seem less important, but they play a very important or vital role in developing our English. They are articles a and the, definite and indefinite articles, numbers singular and plural. There are many things to learn, how to convert singular into plural numbers, and at the end we conclude our video with genders. There are 4 types of genders. They are masculine, feminine, common and neuter. So dear students, practice all these things daily or regularly and learn all these things by heart, so that your English will be well developed and you can use very correct and accurate English. Do take care of your health and be studying regularly. Let's wait for next video. Till then, take care. Bye. Thank you.